All right, next up is our resisted long arc quad. And I tell people, if you're really serious about your rehab, either after an injury or a surgery, especially in the earlier phases where we need some resistance to start introducing that to really restore muscle strength, you need the equipment. So I really like these bands for rehab, especially the earlier to mid phases, because they add a little value. They're a great way to transition from light resistance training to more heavy resistance training. So it's a nice bridge to more functional strength. So what we're gonna do is sit. We're gonna take this looped band. Even if you don't have a looped band, you can also use one of those long TheraBands. You might have to anchor it around the leg of the seat though. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this loop band, I'm gonna put it around my forefoot of my other leg, and my target leg is gonna loop through it. So the band's gonna end around the bottom of my shin. My other leg is gonna stay back. So this is gonna add some pre-tension around the band. I'm gonna back up as far as I can into my chair. So my knee should be supported by the edge of the chair here. If it's not, you can roll up a towel, put it underneath the knee, just to provide a little support at your knee. So upright posture, make sure I maintain this throughout the exercise. What I'm gonna do is really focus on this quad engagement. I'm gonna straighten my knee, squeeze in my quad as hard as I comfortably can, a little pause, really shooting for a nice straight leg. That indicates good knee control, and then nice and slow down. Then back up. So if you find that you are unable to get the knee fully extended, what I would do is reduce the tension of the band. You can do that two ways. You can either just drop down in a color, because that's the nice thing with a lot of these TheraBands, they come in a variety pack, or you can just reduce the tension with the other leg. So I can bring my leg a little further to unload the tension, and then that will result in a little bit less force through my leg, and so it should allow me to go through the full arc of motion. But that's really important for early phase rehab, is ensuring that I'm strengthening the leg through the full arc of motion and not through just partial ranges, because that's gonna really impact muscle performance.